Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to start coding in Java. Let's create your first Java file, understand boilerplate code and run your first output, all in just 2 minutes. So without any delay, let's begin the video. First, open your VS Code. If you don't have VS Code installed on your laptop or PC, don't worry. I have already uploaded a step-by-step YouTube video showing how to download and install VS Code easily. You can find the link in my description below. First of all, create a folder. Click on Open Folder. Now choose a location. I will create a folder in my desktop and name it Java. Alright. Now create a new file and name it main.java. Remember, the file name and the class name must be the same in Java. Every Java program starts with a class and a main method. Here is the basic structure. Public class main. It defines the class name. Now under curly braces, write public static void main and under bracket string args. This is entry point of your program. Java start execution from here. This might look complicated for beginners, but it is easy. And if you don't want to write boilerplate code, here is a shortcut for that. For example, type psvm and press enter and it auto-generate the main method. Similarly, SOUT, this will create a print statement automatically. Now inside the main method, write this line to print your first output. System.out.println under bracket double quotes, welcome to Java. And at the end of this line, don't forget semicolon. This will print your text in the console. Remember, system.out.println prints with a new line and system.out.print prints on the same line. Finally, open your terminal and write this command. And boom, your first Java program is running successfully. Congrats, you have created and executed your first Java file. You learned how to use boilerplate code, print statement, and even save time with shortcuts. In the next video, I will dive into variables and data type in Java. And I will also show you how to write a simple sum program to add two numbers using variables a and b. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned